Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Enthusiast. In today's video I will show you how to revamp your space by making a beautiful table cover using an old dupatta. It's a simple and creative way to add a touch of elegance to your dining area or living room. So let's get started. Gather all material. You will need an old dupatta, sewing machine and needle and thread, scissor and measure tape, and measure the dimensions of your table. This will ensure that your table cover fit perfectly, and lay out all your dupattas on a flat surface and measure the desired length and width based on your table measurement, and use your scissors to carefully cut along the measure lines. Be sure to cut in a straight line for a neat finish. Fold or over the edges of the dupatta and secure them with pin. This will create a clean edge for sewing. And now it's time to sew, and use either a sewing machine or needle and thread to stitch along the folded edges. This will prevent the fabric from fraying and make it more durable. And once you have seen all the edges, remove the pin and give your table cover a quick ironing to smooth out any wrinkles. And voila, your DIY table cover made from an old dupatta is ready to be showcased. Simply drap it over your table and you will instantly notice the transform it bring to your space. And guys, now that you have learned this simple yet effective DIY project, go ahead and give your old dupatta a new lace on life by creating your own unique table cover. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY ideas. Happy crafting guys. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.